Good morning everyone. Welcome to 5th math class. Today we will start chapter number 7, rounding numbers. Chapter number 7, rounding numbers. Students, we are already familiar with the numbers up to 10 crores. In our day-to-day life, we often come across several situations where we will make use of large numbers as well as small numbers and small numbers. But sometimes we don't need to state the exact answer to the question which requires to tell how many. When less information is needed, we often use the number which is close or approximately nearest to the exact number. So in other words, we would say we round the number to nearest 10, 100, 1000, lakh, etc. For example, like 5,618 people attended a hockey match. If somebody asks how many people attended a hockey match, then we would say nearly or about 5,600. So here we have rounded this figure to nearest 100. Let's take another example. The average distance of Earth from Sun is 9 crore 29 lakh 55,750 miles. And if someone asks what is the average distance of Earth from the Sun, then we would say about 9 crore miles. So here we have rounded this figure to nearest crore. So this is called rounding numbers. Then next question is how to round the numbers. Let's start exercise 7.1 where we will learn how to round the numbers. And this exercise is based on the concept rounding the numbers to nearest 10. Nearest 10. I will take a statement from exercise 7.1, part number A, 46. Here we have to round 46 to nearest 10. First of all, write the place value of each digit. Once this is tens. Now we have to round the number to nearest 10. So now highlight 10th place digit. Then see the next number to the 10th place digit. Next number is 6. If the next number is 5 or greater than 5. Here 6 is greater than 5. Then increase the 10th place digit by 1. It will become 5 and replace the next digits by 0. So here 46 is rounded to 50 and it is rounded up. Why it is rounded up? Because the next number 6 was greater than 5. So it is rounded up to 50. This is your answer. Now I will take another example to make you better understand. Part number D, 63. Same procedure will be adopted as was done in the previous sum. First of all, write the place value of each digit. Ones place, this is 10th place digit. Now highlight the 10th place digit and see the next number. Next number is 3, which is less than 5. If the next number is less than 5, then this number leave unchanged. So write it as it is and replace the next digits by 0. So here 63 is rounded down to 60. This is your answer. Why it is rounded down? Because the next number 3 was less than 5. Now let's start exercise 7.2, which is based on the concept rounding the number to the nearest 100. I will take another example from 7.2 exercise, like sum is 136. So statement is 136. Here we have to round 136 to nearest 100. So working rule is, first of all, write the place value of each digit. Ones, tens, 100. Now we have to we have to round this number to nearest 100. So highlight the 100th place digit and see the next number. Next is 3, which is less than 5. If the next number is less than 5, then this digit will be remain unchanged. So write it as it is and replace the next digits by 0. Here 3 replaced by 0 and 6 also replaced by 0. So your number 136 is rounded down to 100. Why it is rounded down? Because the next number was less than 5. So this is your answer. Now I will take another example to make you better understand from the same exercise 7.2. Sum number D. Statement is 75400, which is 4-digit number, and we have to round this number to nearest 100. First of all, write the place value of each digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now we have to round this figure to nearest 100. So now highlight 100 place digit, which is 5. Now see the next digit. Next is 4, which is less than 5. Again, if the digit is less than 5, then this number remains same 5, 7 as it is, because no need to change this. We have to just round the figure to nearest 100. Then replace the next digits by 0. So here this figure is rounded to 7500. This is your answer. And this figure is rounded down because the next number is less than 5. Now let's start next exercise 7.3, which is based on the concept rounding the number to nearest 1000. I will take a statement from this exercise 7.2, part number A. Here we have to round the figure 7848 to nearest 1000. First of all, write the place value of each digit: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here 1000 place digit is 7 and highlight this. Now see the next digit. Next is 8, which is greater than 5. If the next digit is 5 or greater than 5, same procedure will be adopted here. This 1000 place digits will be increased by 1, that means 7 will become 8, and the next digits 100 place digits, 10th place digit and 1st place digit will be replaced by 0. So here 7848 is rounded up to 8000. This is your answer. Now I will take another example from the same exercise, part number C, to make you better understand about this concept. Again, same working rule, write down the place value of each digit: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Here we have to round the figure to 1000. So 1000 place digit is 0. Highlight this. Now see the next digit, next to 1000 place digit. Next is 4, which is less than 5. Again, same, this 0 will leave unchanged and write as it is. 10,000 place digit, 3 write as it is, and replace the next numbers to the 1000 place digits by 0. So here write 3 zeros. This is your answer. And this figure is also rounded down because 4 is less than 5. So students, this is all about your chapter rounding numbers. Do more and more practice for better understanding. Thank you and have a nice day.